Welcome to our roundup of the best Japanese charcoal grill options. If you love the authentic smoky flavor that only charcoal cooking can deliver, a traditional Japanese grill can completely transform the way you cook at home. In this video, we will explore some of the best Japanese charcoal grills available, highlighting their build quality, cooking performance, portability, and overall value. From ceramic designs that retain heat for long periods to compact steel grills perfect for small spaces, each option brings something special to the table. We will also discuss key features like cooking surface, ventilation, durability, and convenience to help you choose the right grill for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below. Now let's fire things up and discover the best Japanese charcoal grills you can bring home today. The first on the list is the Yakitori Ceramic Charcoal Grill. The Yakitori Ceramic Charcoal Grill is designed for grilling enthusiasts who want authentic Japanese-style cooking in a compact and efficient design. One of the standout aspects of this grill is its high heat retention, which allows it to maintain consistent temperatures for longer cooking sessions. The ceramic construction traps heat effectively, ensuring that every skewer, piece of meat, or vegetable cooks evenly and develops that signature smoky flavor. Another impressive feature is its compact tabletop design, making it ideal for balconies, patios, or even indoor cooking setups with proper ventilation. Despite its smaller footprint, it provides enough cooking space for several skewers at once, making it perfect for small gatherings or family meals. The grill also features durable ceramic construction, which not only enhances heat efficiency, but also adds long-lasting durability. Cooking with this grill feels traditional and satisfying. The ceramic body distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots and helping food cook consistently from edge to center. Yakitori lovers will especially appreciate how well this grill handles skewers, allowing you to position them perfectly over the charcoal for precise grilling. Because the grill retains heat so efficiently, it requires less charcoal compared to larger metal grills, making it both economical and convenient for frequent use. Overall, the Yakitori Ceramic Charcoal Grill offers an excellent introduction to authentic Japanese charcoal grilling. Next up is the Hibachi Grill Outdoor Yakitori Grill. The Hibachi Grill Outdoor Yakitori Grill is a simple yet powerful grilling solution that delivers authentic charcoal flavor with minimal setup. Built for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, this grill features traditional Japanese grill design, allowing users to recreate the classic yakitori grilling experience in their own backyard. The rectangular shape and open grilling surface make it easy to arrange skewers, meats, and vegetables for even cooking. Another highlight is its heavy-duty steel frame, which provides strength and durability while handling the intense heat generated by charcoal. Overall, the Hibachi Grill Outdoor Yakitori Grill is a dependable option for anyone who enjoys traditional charcoal grilling. Next, we have the Bincho Grill 16-inch Mini Yakitori Grill. The Bincho Grill 16-inch Mini Yakitori Grill is a compact yet powerful option designed for serious yakitori enthusiasts who want authentic Japanese grilling performance. Despite its small footprint, this grill offers impressive cooking capability thanks to its efficient charcoal heat system, which maximizes the heat output from a small amount of charcoal. This makes it ideal for high-temperature grilling while conserving fuel. Another standout feature is its traditional narrow grill surface, specifically designed for skewered foods like yakitori. This layout allows skewers to rest perfectly across the grill while meat cooks directly over the charcoal. Additionally, the grill features durable heat-resistant construction, ensuring it can withstand repeated exposure to high temperatures. One of the most appealing aspects of this grill is its ability to produce intense heat in a very focused cooking area. This concentrated heat helps create the signature caramelization and smoky flavor that yakitori is known for. Because the grill is narrow and long, it also provides excellent control over where food is positioned relative to the charcoal. The grill's compact size makes it especially suitable for smaller spaces. Whether you're cooking on a balcony, patio, or outdoor table, it fits comfortably without taking up too much room. Overall, the Bincho Grill's 16-inch Mini Yakitori Grill is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a dedicated yakitori grill with authentic performance. Next, the Iron Master Hibachi Grill Outdoor. The Ironmaster Hibachi Grill Outdoor is built for those who appreciate sturdy construction and reliable charcoal grilling performance. This grill stands out thanks to its heavy cast iron body, which provides excellent durability and stability during cooking. Cast iron not only makes the grill strong, but also helps distribute heat more evenly across the cooking surface. Another highlight is its adjustable cooking grate system, allowing users to raise or lower the grilling surface depending on the desired cooking temperature. This flexibility is particularly useful when grilling different types of food. The grill also features dual air vent control, which gives you precise control over airflow and charcoal burn rate. One of the biggest advantages of this grill is its durability. The cast iron body is designed to withstand years of regular use while maintaining consistent performance. Unlike lightweight grills that may warp or degrade over time, this solid construction ensures dependable cooking results for the long term. Cooking performance is another area where this grill excels. The adjustable grate system allows you to bring food closer to the charcoal for intense searing, or rise it higher for slower cooking. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of dishes, from yakitori skewers to steaks and vegetables. Overall, the Ironmaster Hibachi Grill Outdoor delivers exceptional strength, heat control, and grilling versatility. The last one on our list is the FireSense 60450 Yakitori Internal Grates Charcoal Grill. The FireSense 60450 Yakitori Internal Grates Charcoal Grill is a popular choice among charcoal grilling enthusiasts, thanks to its balance of performance, durability, and convenience. One of its most notable features is the dual internal grate system, which allows users to manage charcoal placement more effectively for consistent heat distribution. This design helps create an ideal cooking environment for yakitori, vegetables, and small cuts of meat. Another standout feature is its compact portable design, making it easy to transport or store when not in use. Despite its smaller size, it still provides enough cooking space for multiple skewers. The grill also includes durable steel construction, ensuring reliable performance and long-lasting use. One of the strengths of this grill is how easy it is to use. The internal grates help keep charcoal organized and improve airflow, which leads to more efficient burning and better heat control. This makes it easier for beginners to achieve good grilling results without constantly adjusting the charcoal. Overall, the FireSense 60450 Yakitori Internal Grates Charcoal Grill is a practical and reliable option for anyone who wants a traditional Japanese charcoal grilling experience. So that's it for the best Japanese charcoal grills you can bring home today. If this video helped you discover the right grill for your cooking style, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful gear roundups just like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep grilling and stay connected.